Hello, this is Davina from Cotton Confetti. Today I'm going to show you the fall project for Julie and Cara's, using Julie and Cara's digitals. This is the hashtag JANCYFall22. If you click on the hashtag in the description, you'll be able to go to other items that people have made using this digital. I started off with I was going to cover a Tim Holtz folder, but the paper I'm using, it's my own. I painted this. It's my own painted cartridge paper, which I decided was going to be too thick, so I just cut it out of the cartridge paper. On the front we've got a couple of pockets here. And here is, I've used some of the pieces from the kit to decorate the edge. And here we have a couple of little pockets. And inside are some small journaling cards. This is going to go back in, I don't know. Here's the other one. I used that's actually a folded piece. I'll pop that in later. I've done a waterfall notebook, and I've used, I think this was Cara's digital collage to decorate the inside. Over here we have a little fold out, and there's a pocket here with a journaling card, and this folds up and that closes. Now in here we have a fold out with little pockets with the postcard in. And here I have a journal. I was just going to do a folder, but they were talking about it needed to be a journal, so I've made it into a journal. There's a belly band here with a small piece that was left over from the collage page, and there's a little journaling card. This gorgeous paper was sent to me by Bonnie. Thank you, Bonnie. I won it as a prize in one of Julie's live videos, and it was a game. I don't know why I won it, because a lot of the questions were about American things, which I knew nothing about. In here I've used one of the other digitals to make a little notebook. And this just slots in the pockets here. There's another little pocket here with a piece of journaling paper in there. Some pages. Oh, this is one that I had a go at dyeing. I used a stencil. Here's a little pocket in the centre. With a little pocket here, a little tiny notebook. Here is, I made another one of these envelope, call them envelope notebooks really. They're quite handy to take out if you didn't, and to write notes on if you didn't want to take the whole journal out. There's a fold out here with a little pocket. And on the back of the journal there's a note card, and there's a fold out piece of journaling paper here. And there's another tiny pocket here with some of the tiny flinch cards in. These are very sweet. And here is there's a card here which is holding closed. Flip down, and inside there's actually a pocket here, but I haven't put anything in there yet. This is a fold out folder which I've used my paper as the background, and I've added some of the digitals. There's another notebook here, Bonnie's paper again, a little notebook here. Then this opens this way as well, and we've got there's a large journaling card there which is tucked in here, so you can see it popping. This is one of Kathleen Mower's famous peephole pockets. And there's more cards. More fold out journaling paper. And that just pops in here. And that pops down, and then this holds it all closed. And the journal closes up, the journal closes there, this closes here, this closes here, and the elastic goes round the edge to hold it shut. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.